Good morning.
With you, I can be sad with you. Just take my hand and fly up through the dreams where the skies are so clear. With you, I wanna stay with you.
Morning everybody! Welcome back to our channel, The Lenses Vlog! Ayan, good morning guys! Good morning USA and good evening Philippines! Ayan, kopi muna tayo. Kape-kape. So, today is Sunday guys. So, magre-ready na kami for church, ano? So, ito yung ano namin normally ginagawa every Sunday. So, samahan nyo kami sa aming mga routine.
Hello YouTube, Angeline's followers on YouTube, good morning. This is Angeline's husband, Michael Lindsay. This is my wife, Angeline, the host and popular YouTube sensation, Angeline Lindsay. We're going to church today. We got the crew here in the back, and it's a beautiful April morning. Gonna be Easter here in a few weeks, and we are looking forward to that because that is, of course, the celebration that Jesus Christ rose from the dead and came back to life and defeated all the powers of darkness and the evil in this world and gave us authority that we have. So when he went on the cross, of course, he paid the price for the sin of the world and redeemed us from all the curse that came through the earth through Adam's and Eve's sin when back in the beginning, which brought all the works of the devil and gave the devil the authority over this world, because Adam and Eve sinned and disobeyed God, gave it to the devil. But Jesus, thanks God, came back and eliminated that, and he paid the price on the cross, went into the grave for 3 days and defeated the devil and his kingdom, and then rose again. And that's the Easter celebration, the resurrection of Jesus Christ, the rising of Jesus, who redeemed us from all those curses and defeated the powers of the darkness of the devil. And so now, if you are a child of Jesus Christ or a born again, you have Jesus in your heart, you've received Jesus as your Lord and Savior, you have victory through Jesus over all the things that the devil brought into the world, like sickness and poverty and sadness and disease, all those bad things. We have victory. So we're just walking in it today, claiming it, acknowledging it, believing in it, and acting like we got it, and then we get it. So it's all by faith, and Jesus did the work. Now it's up to us to just accept it, believe it, and have it.
Yes.
So there's really a fine line between those people who have it and those people who don't. Sometimes they just haven't gotten the good news enough to where it's believable, and they act like it's believable. So that's really the difference, guys. If you're not having the victory, and if you're not experience all the blessings of God, just need a little bit more of the good news or the gospel of Jesus. You need to hear it more, study it more, and accept it more, speak it more, believe it more, and act like you. Eventually, it just starts flowing out of you, because that's just what's on the inside. Everything from the inside has got to work its way out. So whatever's going on in your life is a product of what's on the inside, your belief system. And so if you don't like what's going on the outside, you got to change the inside.
Right.
Change that inside and things will start working out. And it's a process. Everybody's in a process. Everybody's in a different version of that process. But it's all good. You know, I mean, Jesus is the victory.
Yes.
And we're all going to heaven. If you believe in Jesus, you have Jesus. We're all going to heaven, but we can have, as they said in the gospel, you can have heaven and all the blessings of God on this life, in this life, on this planet right now.
Amen.
So that's the key. Getting those blessings to work in your life and getting it on the inside.
Yes.
So guys, thanks for watching today. We just rejoice with you wherever you're at in that process, and we just rejoice the fact that you can go out and experience the blessings of God right now through Jesus Christ.
An Easter egg hunt for kids, and for more kids stuff, we're gonna sing on stage. We're still practicing, but if parents out there, you have kids, you can just join us because I think the kids are really gonna like it.
Amen.
Hey,
So, after church, guys, ito, magluluto tayo, no? Ayan, binabrown ko na yung bacon. Kasi, yan yung mga na ingredients sa aking spaghetti. Hindi pala, baked spaghetti. Yun pala yun, baked spaghetti. So, ayan yung meat. Ito yung meat na brown ko na, no? So, ready to go na. Tapos, ito yung mga sahog. Ito yung sibuyas, garlic. Tapos, yun yung red bell pepper, green, and black olive. Yun yung mga ilalagay natin, ano? So, ito yung ano namin, guys. Ito yung hapunan namin today is Sunday, no? Natapos lang ng church. Kaya, ayan. Luto-luto muna tayo. So, spaghetti. Pero kakaiba. Kasi binibake. Yan, ito din yung kanda, guys, ng mushroom. Cream of mushroom. Ayan, guys, nilagay ko na yung onion, tsaka garlic. Tapos, isunod na natin yung red pepper and green pepper para ano na siya, sabay-sabay nang maluto. At saka yung olive pala, black olive. So, ayan. Ganun lang siya. Ayan. So, ilagay natin yung bacon. Ayan. Haluin na natin. So, next, guys, ilagay natin to. Ito yung diced. Yan, diced tomato. Yan, tingnan mo naman yung gulay. Gulay na siya. So, ang next natin ilalagay ito. Ilahalo natin yan sa gulay. So ngayon lalagay na natin yung cream of mushroom sa ibabaw bago natin i-bake. Ayan, kailangan natin ikalat, ano? Para lalo siyang sumarap. Ayan. Ganyan lang yung style niya, guys. Ganyan lang yung secret niya. Tapos lagyan natin siya ng parmesan cheese. Buburan ng maraming cheese sa taas para mas lalong masarap. Ayan. Bake lang siya ng 350 degrees for 25 minutes. Ayan. So, it's a beautiful day today, guys. Ayan, nagluluto ako ng spaghetti. Check muna natin sa labas, ano? Na makikita natin dito. Ayan, tumutubo na yung mga halaman ko. Yan siya. Ayan. Ata lang guys na spring na talaga. Ayan siya. I can wait for work my garden. Ayan siya, oh. Bumalik yung ano, bumalik yung sibuyas ko, oh. Tumubo. Nagsibalikan yung sibuyas ko. Yan, hindi pa ako nakapaglinis, ano, kasi maginaw pa. So, couple weeks mag-ano na ako. Mag-start na akong maglinis dito sa labas. So, thank you guys for watching. God bless. Bye-bye.